Can you stay off sugar for 2 weeks? Are you up for the challenge? The average person consumes about 17 teaspoons of sugar per day, which is more than double the recommended daily limit. Quite shocking, isn't it? But it's the bitter truth. We're living in a world where sugar has cozied up into almost every meal of ours. From the breakfast cereals we rush through in the morning, to the comforting chocolate we indulge in late at night. Sugar, in its many forms, is a master of disguise, sneaking into our diets and wreaking havoc on our bodies. It's not just about those extra pounds we struggle to shed. It's about the role sugar plays in more serious health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's about how this sweet devil manipulates our bodies into craving more of its kind, keeping us trapped in a vicious cycle. But what if we were to break free? What if we were to embark on a journey of sugar detoxification? What if we were to quit sugar for 2 whole weeks? It might sound daunting, but the results could be life-changing. Now, before we proceed, let's clear something up. When we talk about quitting sugar, we're not talking about all types of sugar. We're talking about added sugars, the kind that's sprinkled generously into processed foods and drinks, not the natural sugars found fruits and dairy. 2 weeks without added sugar can make a world of difference. You'll start to lose your appetite for sugar, your cravings will diminish, you'll feel less hungry, less fatigued, especially after meals. You'll shed excess water and fat. Your mood will enhance, your cognitive function will improve, and your skin will start to glow. You'll experience less stiffness, less inflammation, and less pain. Quitting sugar also has more far-reaching benefits. You'll build new enzymes to run your body on fat fuel. You'll reduce inflammation in your arteries. You'll grow new brain cells. You'll clean out a fatty liver and improve kidney function. So what really happens when you decide to step off the sweet roller coaster and quit sugar for 2 weeks? Let's find out. The first step in your sugar-free journey might seem daunting, but within days you'll start to feel the benefits. Let's delve into what happens when you bid adieu to this sweet culprit, shall we? Firstly, you'll lose your appetite for sugar. Here's the science behind it. Every time you consume sugar, there's this hormone that comes into play, pushing down the sugars, which leads to a low blood sugar situation. This in turn triggers sugar cravings. But once you cut sugar out of your diet, this hormonal roller coaster comes to a halt. Next up, you'll find that you're less hungry. It's sugar that keeps you hungry all the time. By giving up sugar, you're helping stabilize your blood sugars, and as a result, you're not constantly raiding the fridge. And then there's the fatigue, that sluggish feeling after enjoying a massive sugar-loaded meal? That's your body's response to the sugar crash. By saying no to sugar, you're essentially saying yes to a more energetic you. But that's not all. In the first week of your sugar detox, you'll start shedding excess water and fat. It's like hitting the reset button on your body and letting it flush out all the unnecessary stuff. And here's where it gets really interesting. You'll notice enhanced mood and improved cognitive function, more focus, more concentration, and a generally more positive outlook on life. That's your brain thanking you for quitting sugar. And let's not forget about the skin. Less sugar equals less acne and a naturally glowing skin. It's like getting a beauty treatment from the inside out. There's also less stiffness. Less sugar means less inflammation and less pain. It's like giving your joints a well-deserved break. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The benefits of quitting sugar are far-reaching. From building new enzymes to run your body on fat fuel, less inflammation in the arteries, growing brain cells, cleaning out a fatty liver to better kidney function. The list goes on and on. So, are you ready to start this sweet journey towards a healthier you? As you embark on your second week of sugar-free living, you'll start to notice some unexpected gains. You might have thought that giving up sugar was all about denying yourself sweet treats. But what if we told you it's more about what you gain than what you lose? By the end of your first week, you've likely started to notice some changes, but it's in the second week that the magic really starts to happen. First up, you'll begin to shed excess water and fat. Your body, no longer reliant on quick and easy sugar for energy, turns to its fat stores instead. This doesn't just result in weight loss, but also a more toned and defined physique. But the benefits extend far beyond the physical. Your mood may become more stable and positive, and your cognitive function might also see a boost. You could find yourself thinking more clearly, concentrating for longer periods of time, and feeling more alert and focused. It's as if a fog has lifted from your mind, replaced by a newfound mental clarity. And then there's your skin. Without the inflammation and breakouts often triggered by sugar, your complexion might start to glow. You could notice fewer spots, less redness, and an overall healthier appearance. It's the kind of change that others will notice too, and they might even start asking for your skincare secrets. But perhaps one of the most surprising gains is the decrease in stiffness and pain. Sugar is known to cause inflammation, which can lead to discomfort and stiffness, particularly in the joints. By cutting out sugar, you're also cutting out a major source of inflammation, and your body will thank you for it. And the best part? These changes are not just for the short term. They can lead to long-term health improvements. Whether it's building new enzymes to run your body on fat fuel, reducing inflammation in your arteries, growing new brain cells, cleaning out a fatty liver, or improving kidney function, the benefits of a sugar-free lifestyle are plentiful and powerful. This is not a short-term diet, but a long-term investment in your health and well-being. So keep going, your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about the long-term impact of quitting sugar. Imagine the body as a well-oiled machine. When it's running on clean fuel, it operates smoothly. When we eliminate sugar from our diet, we're essentially switching to a cleaner, more efficient fuel. The body begins to build new enzymes to run on fat fuel instead of sugar. This process helps in reducing inflammation in the arteries. Inflammation, in simple terms, is like a little fire burning inside your body. Over time, if left unchecked, this fire can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease and stroke. By cutting out sugar, you're essentially dousing that fire, leading to less inflammation and thereby promoting a healthier cardiovascular system. Moving on, let's delve into the wonders of the brain. Did you know that quitting sugar can actually help in growing new brain cells? Yes, you heard that right. A sugar-free diet can stimulate the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein plays a crucial role in creating new neurons and strengthening existing ones, contributing to improved memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Now let's shift our focus to the liver, an organ that plays a pivotal role in detoxification. A high-sugar diet can lead to the accumulation of excess fat in the liver. This condition, known as fatty liver disease, can cause serious damage over time. By quitting sugar, you help your liver by cleaning out this excess fat, allowing it to function more efficiently. Lastly, let's talk about the kidneys, those two small organs that play a huge role in filtering waste from your blood. A diet high in sugar can strain your kidneys, leading to various health issues. By cutting out sugar, you're helping your kidneys function better, promoting overall better health. So as you can see, quitting sugar has a profound effect on your body and your overall health. So what's the bottom line? Is it worth it to quit sugar for 2 weeks? Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. First off, remember how we talked about losing that insatiable appetite for sugar? That's because your body's hormones start working in harmony again, and you no longer experience those pesky low blood sugar crashes that make you reach for the nearest candy bar. Not only that, but you might also find yourself feeling less hungry overall. It's the sugar that keeps your tummy rumbling all the time. But when you cut it out, your blood sugar levels stabilize and those constant cravings subside. Then there's the benefit of less fatigue, especially after meals. No more post-lunch slump or late afternoon energy crashes. You'll feel more energetic and ready to take on the day. And let's not forget about the physical changes. In the first week alone, you'll notice that you're shedding excess water and fat. Your skin will start to glow, and you might even see a reduction in acne. You'll also feel less stiffness as your body's inflammation levels drop. But the benefits don't stop at the surface level. Quitting sugar sets off a chain reaction within your body that leads to a multitude of long-term health benefits. You'll build new enzymes to run your body on fat fuel, reduce inflammation in your arteries, grow new brain cells, clean out a fatty liver, and improve your kidney function. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, but don't just take our word for it. Try cutting out sugar for 2 weeks and see for yourself. Experience the benefits firsthand. Your body will thank you. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about your own sugar-free journey. Remember, every step towards a healthier lifestyle is a step worth taking.